See, that's good.
Okay, good. You're doing good. I'm still trying to make those over the roof. Sticky stuff. I'm trying to remember how we were putting not too bad.
Got a small group today, but we're baking. Hi, Bonita. Looking good, Marilyn.
All right. Didn't know I had a new printer.
Francine, can I help you? You don't need? I'll be happy to help you if you'd like me to assist you. Hi, Chris. You're like me, Chris. We're going to watch and see what happens in the end. Because Marilyn's doing a phenomenal job. Ho, ho, ho.
It'll cost you.
It really. Oh, yeah, Chris?
I'm a baseball player.
Okay.
I play golf. I do everything I can.
Okay.
What are you doing? Throwing this on the floor.
Chris is waiting for the end product. Uh-huh.
You might be a long time off.
It says this is style.
Uh-huh.
Does it has a sale on it?
I have no idea. Look at here. Whoops. I need to have this one.
There's
You
one.
moved my stuff.
Oh. We're not giving it.
You're not giving it?
Now, I'm doing my best job.
Did I eat it?
Huh?
Did he eat that?
It's not edible yet.
Oh, okay, well, they'll the next day out there.
Well, you can, but you'd be very sick later.
Yeah.
Really make you sick? Huh?
Would it really make you sick?
What, you ate it raw? It wouldn't taste good.
Didn't raw.